Hello friends, in this video we see the concept about how to create the static website. First of all, we creating for the home page. In this home page we create the structure of that particular web page by using a table tag. Okay. First of all, table border is equal to 2 and height is equal to 600 or 800. Width is equal to 1200. It should be specified at particular space or size of the particular table. Afterwards, we use the tr tag, then td. In this td, we entering for the particular width from 1200, just like here 300, and height is equal to 200. And here we are pass out that particular image tag. Okay, we entering for the image tag in that particular td, and that td tag should be closed. Second thing, we enter the college name, just like H1 RC Patel, IMRD Shirpur. Then that the TR should be completed. And second TR, in this TR we entering for the particular menu bar. We creating for the menu bar. TR called span is equal to 2. Width or height is equal to suppose 50, and to entering the particular links, to creating the link, ahref is equal to homepage.html home. And finally an NBSP, for that to giving the space between the two linking in that particular two links. Afterwards, we entering the syllabus or library page, then href live.html library, anchor tag should be closed. Then given the space between that particular two anchors, two link, and we entering for the third anchor tag, ahref is equal to syllabus.html. syllabus, and anchor tag should be closed, and finally td tag is closed. In this td we specify the particular three links. One link is home page, second link is a library, and third one is that syllabus. Okay, then that the tr is completed, means second tr should be closed here, and we open the third tr tag here. Third tr, in this tr we mention that particular marquee tag as well as for the main content in a two columns. Then here we declaring for the td aligns is equal to top, v aligns is equal to top, and here we mention the marquee tag. Marquee direction is equal to up, and we pass out that particular links here. For example, sports, sports.html, or here we pass out that only the hash, because that the file should not be created yet. Sports anchor tag complete here. BR means break the line. Copy that particular links. Staff members, etc. Okay, in this way we are pass out the sub links in that particular marquee tag. Means most important data should be passed out here. And finally that td tag is closed, and second td, it's also v aligns is equal to top, and close that particular td. And finally tr tag is close it, and here we pass out the last tr. In this tr we are creating for the footer section, and in that particular footer section we merge the two columns by using colspan attribute, and that's why here we are used the td colspan is equal to 2. td colspan is equal to 2. Lines is equal to center, and here complete that particular td, and here we are write the @ it's a BBA creations. BBA creations 2021, and td tag is closed here, and finally tr tag is closed here, and table tag is closed here. Okay, in this way we creating the home page. Means it is classified that we create the structure of that particular home page. I save that particular page by using homepage.html extension and run this particular code. Just like imrd is a main folder. In this folder homepage.html it's a file name, and those particular file we run on that particular browser. Okay, after running this particular code, it can be generating the particular output, and that the output we see here in that particular screen, showing that particular output. Okay, जो लास्ट कॉलम रो इम्प्लीमेंटेशंस किया गया है उसमें ज़्यादा स्पेस हो गया. ओके, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी वांट टू चेंज ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर स्पेस हियर. इट जो लास्ट रो है उसका स्पेस अपन कम कर सकते हैं यहाँ से हाइट एट्रीब्यूट यूज करके. हाइट इज इक्वल टू 50. Okay, I saved that particular code, and here it can be refresh it. Then it can be generating that particular output here. Okay. Home, library और syllabus, ये जो आउटपुट आया है आउटपुट लेफ्ट साइड को डिस्प्ले हो रहा है. ओके. एंड इफ यू वांट टू डिस्प्ले ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर सेंटर, देन वी यूज फॉर द अलाइंस एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर टेबल टैग. जस्ट लाइक हियर अलाइंस is equal to center. Okay, and here the home page, I given that particular data here. The home page contain here. I save it and refresh it. Okay, then in that way we creating for the home page. Here we pass out that particular image in that logo. ये जो इमेज टैग दिया है, इमेज टैग में अपन यहाँ पे लोगो पास करने वाले. ओके, देन इन दैट्स व्हाई हियर वी आर जनरेटिंग फॉर द वन इमेज. यहाँ पे अपन एक इमेज फाइल एंटर करने वाले. जस्ट लाइक दैट्स द फोल्डर. इन दैट पर्टिकुलर फोल्डर वी कॉपीड द वन इमेज फ्रॉम दैट डिवाइस. Just like sample pictures. Okay, means one image here we copied है. कोई भी एक इमेज अपन वहाँ पे एंटर कर लेते हैं. Copy and paste here. And rename that particular file just like abc.jpg, and that the code here we pass it abc.jpg. Save it and refresh it. Okay, that the image height and width also we are pass out here. Height is equal to 200 and width is equal to 300. Save it and refresh it. Okay, that the image it can be displayed. Suppose whenever we click on home page, then it can be showing that home. Click on library, then it can be transferred for the library.html, but that the image or that the page we cannot yet created. Then when we click on syllabus, then it can be open the syllabus web page, but also it not created. Okay, and we creating those file also. For example, I copied that particular file here. ये जो फाइल है वही फाइल मैं यहाँ पे कॉपी पेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, कॉपी एंड वही डायरेक्टरी पे पेस्ट करता हूँ. ओके, एंड रीनेम दोस पर्टिकुलर फाइल. Okay friends, means where we are creating for the one home page, at that time same page I copied here it for to creating the another page just like a syllabus page. Okay, then we save that syllabus .html. Okay, and also copied that particular file and pasted it and creating for that particular library .html, lib.html ऐसा नेम अपन वहाँ पे सेट करने वाले. अभी क्या हो गया देखो, होम पेज .html, h कैपिटल है, p कैपिटल है, lib.html, syllabus.html, यही फाइल नेम अपने को एंकर टैग में पास करने पड़ेंगे जो अपन ने यहाँ पे यूज किए. सपोज होम पेज .html है ना, तो जब